They do not sleep. They do not eat. They do not demand a paycheck, a break, or a moment of rest. For decades, science fiction promised us a future where machines would walk among us, lifting the heavy burdens of humanity. For decades, it was just a dream. But look closely at this facility. That dream is no longer fiction. It is being stamped out of steel, carbon fiber, and silicon right now. We're standing inside the birthplace of the new workforce. This is not just a factory, it is a nursery for the next generation of labor. Here in this sterile, humming cathedral of technology, raw metal and complex code collide to create autonomous machines capable of learning, adapting, and working alongside humans. But the true marvel isn't the metal arms or the hydraulic legs, it is the invisible force guiding them, the unseen AI. Today, we are taking you past the security checkpoints, into the clean rooms and the heavy assembly lines, to witness how a billion-dollar industry is building the future, one circuit at a time. Welcome to the Robotics Factory. The creation of a synthetic worker begins with its bones. But unlike human bones, which grow and heal, these must be forged to withstand forces that would crush a biological skeleton. We start in the foundry section. Here, aircraft-grade aluminum and high-strength titanium alloys are melted down in induction furnaces, reaching temperatures of over 3,000 degrees. This isn't just pouring metal into a mold. This is precision casting. The liquid metal is injected under immense pressure into ceramic molds, creating the complex geometries of the robot's chassis, the rib cage, the pelvic, and the limb structures. Once cooled, these rough castings move to the CNC machining hall. This is a symphony of subtraction. Multi-axis milling machines guided by sub-millimeter laser measurements carve away the excess metal. They are shaving off layers thinner than a human hair. Why this level of precision? Because in the world of advanced robotics, there is no room for good enough. A gap of a few microns in a joint could lead to a catastrophic failure when the robot is carrying a 100-pound payload. These metal bones must be perfect. They are the chassis upon which the artificial intelligence will eventually ride. A skeleton is useless without muscle. In the human body, muscles contract and relax chemically. In this factory, the muscles are electromagnetic. We move to the winding room. This is where the robot gets its strength. We're looking at the production of high-torque actuators, the electric motors that serve as the joints. This process is mesmerizing. Automated winding machines spin copper wire at blinding speeds, creating dense, perfectly layered coils. The density of this copper determines the efficiency of the robot. Too loose and the robot is weak. Too tight and it overheats. It is a balancing act of physics. These motors are then paired with harmonic drives, specialized gearboxes that allow for zero backlash. This means when the AI tells the arm to stop, it stops instantly. No shaking, no drifting. This is what allows a robot to thread a needle or crush a concrete block with the same hand. In another section, for the heavy lifting models, we see hydraulic systems being assembled. These are the veins of the machine. Synthetic oil, pressurized to thousands of psi, flows through titanium tubes powering pistons that mimic the quadriceps and biceps. The sealing process here is critical. A single leak would bleed the robot dry, so every seal is tested in a vacuum chamber before moving down the line. Now the machine has bones and muscles, but it is blind and deaf. It needs a nervous system. This takes us into the clean room, a dust-free environment where the air is filtered 10 times a minute. Here, technicians in full protective suits assemble the sensory arrays. Modern robots do not just see with cameras. They perceive the world through a fusion of Lidar, ultrasonic sensors, and thermal imaging. You're watching workers install the eyes, stereo cameras that mimic human depth perception, allowing the AI to calculate distance in milliseconds. But the real magic is the Lidar. These spinning laser sensors map the environment in 3D, creating a point cloud of the world. It allows the robot to see in total darkness. Deep inside the chest cavity, the technicians install the heart of the machine, the compute module. This is a supercomputer the size of a brick. It is packed with GPUs designed specifically for neural network processing. This is where the AI lives. Without this block of silicon, the machine is just an expensive paperweight. Connecting this brain to the sensors requires miles of cabling, a complex web of fiber optics and copper wire that act as the spinal cord, transmitting gigabytes of data every second. We have arrived at the main assembly hall, and here we witness a meta-phenomenon that defines this era of industry: robots building robots. The heavy lifting isn't done by humans. Massive industrial robotic arms, the older, stronger cousins of the humanoids being built, lift the chassis, position the limbs, and tighten the bolts with computerized torque wrenches. It is a synchronized dance of automation. Watch closely. The assembly line flows continuously. The torso is mated to the legs. The arms are attached to the shoulders. The complex hands with their delicate pressure sensors in the fingertips are snapped into place. This is where the unseen AI of the factory itself comes into play. The entire production line is managed by a central algorithm. It tracks every screw, every wire, and every second of labor. If a robotic assembler detects a misalignment of even a fraction of a millimeter, it self-corrects instantly. It is a system of perfection, ensuring that the robot coming off the line today is identical to the one that came off yesterday. The hardware is complete. The robot stands in the birth bay, hooked up to thick power cables, but it is lifeless. Now comes the most critical step: the upload. Engineers initiate the transfer of the core operating system. This isn't just code, it's a neural network trained on millions of hours of simulation data. In the digital world, this AI has already walked 1 billion miles, lifted 1 billion boxes, and solved 1 billion puzzles. Now, that digital experience is being poured into a physical body. The lights on the chassis flicker green. The cooling fans spin up to a whine. The robot twitches. This is the calibration phase. The AI is checking its new body. It flexes its fingers, rotates its wrists, and tests its balance. It is learning the friction of its own joints and the weight of its own limbs. It's a hauntingly beautiful moment. A machine created from cold metal suddenly looks alive. It tracks the engineer walking past. It adjusts its stance to compensate for gravity. The unseen AI has taken control. Before these machines can be trusted among humans, they must be broken. We enter the testing zone. Here, the robots are made to walk on treadmills for days without stopping. They are pushed, shoved, and struck with weighted pendulums to test their gyroscopic stability. They are forced to carry heavy loads up uneven stairs. This is survival of the fittest. The AI is constantly monitoring its own health. If a motor overheats or a gear slips, the robot logs the pain and alerts the engineers. Only the units that survive this torture chamber are certified for the real world. As we watch the finished units marching in perfect unison towards the shipping bay, we are looking at a fundamental shift in human history. These crates are not just filled with electronics, they are filled with labor. They are filled with the promise of a world where dangerous, dull, and dirty jobs are no longer the burden of people. This factory is a testament to human ingenuity. We have taken the raw elements of the earth and given them the ability to move, to think, and to work. The workforce of the future is here. It is quiet, it is efficient, and it is ready to come online. Thank you for joining us inside the unseen AI factory. If you're fascinated by the future of technology and the hidden worlds of manufacturing, make sure to like and subscribe. We have more secrets of the industrial world to reveal. Until next time.